In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roll-up property in Notion. As you may already know, Notion is a powerful tool that helps streamline productivity by organizing tasks, notes, and projects efficiently. One of the features that make Notion so versatile is its ability to use Rollup Properties, which essentially allows you to pull and summarize data from related databases. This can be incredibly useful for project management, tracking progress, and much more. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to open your Notion workspace and navigate to the database you're interested in working with. This could be any table, board, or another type of database you have set up in Notion. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new database by selecting a template or creating one from scratch. Feel free to explore a bit and make sure you're comfortable with the layout of your database. It's important to have your relevant data organized and ready to go before we add in the Rollup property. Once you've got your database open, the next step is to add a new column. This is where the Rollup property will live. Simply hover over the top of your existing columns and click the plus icon that appears to the right. This action will create a new, blank column in your database. It's a good idea to name your column something meaningful, especially if you have multiple rollups, so that you can easily identify it later. Now, it's time to configure this new column to become a Rollup property. Click on the newly created column header to bring up the property settings. From the drop-down menu, select Rollup. Be sure to scroll through the options carefully, as Notion offers several different property types, and we want to ensure we're selecting the right one for our needs. With the Rollup property selected, you will need to define the relation and calculation you want to achieve. First, under the Relation option, you'll need to choose an existing relation in your database. This relation connects two databases, allowing you to pull data from one into the other. If you haven't set up a relation yet, you'll need to create one by linking the databases you wish to combine. Next up, decide on the calculation type for your Rollup property. Notion offers various options, such as showing the sum, average, count, or even a unique list. The choice here really depends on what you need to achieve with your data. For example, if you're looking at tasks completed, you might simply want to count them, whereas if you're tracking budget expenses, a sum might be more useful. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created a Rollup property in Notion. This powerful feature will now help you consolidate and analyze data effortlessly, ultimately enhancing your productivity and efficiency within Notion. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.